welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sherry. Today we are going to talk about the Galactic Starcruiser. So my family and I went on the Galactic Starcruiser a couple months ago. Absolutely loved it, and I just want to preface this with saying that I'm not a Star Wars fan. I don't hate Star Wars. I just am not a fan. I maybe saw a movie like back in the 80s. Don't follow it, don't really know anything about it. And I loved the experience. My husband and my son follow it more than I do, so I had a better idea of what's going on. But I think the biggest thing I want to tell you is that you do not have to be a Star Wars fan to go to the Galactic Starcruiser. If you are looking for a one-of-a-kind experience, something that you cannot do anywhere else on the planet, the Starcruiser is for you. You don't need to be a Disney fan. You don't need to be a Star Wars fan. If you're just looking for something different, the Galactic Starcruiser is definitely for you. So a question that I get a lot is what is included on the voyage, because a lot of people say that it's pricey. It is pricey, I'm not gonna lie. It is expensive, and it's definitely more expensive than maybe another kind of trip, but there's definitely more things included because it's not just a hotel stay. It's not like a cruise. It is an immersive experience that takes you to a galaxy far, far away. So in your voyage, the first thing that's included, of course, is your accommodations. We'll go over more about those in just a second. The second thing that's included is all of your food and non-alcoholic beverages are included in the voyage. So that means lunch and dinner on your embarkation day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner on your second day, your full day, and then breakfast on your disembarkation day. So it's a total of 6 meals. Also included is your admission to Hollywood Studios. So on your full day there, you go into Galaxy's Edge, and your admission there is included. If you are driving to the Galactic Starcruiser, your valet parking is included. You can't self-park there. It's valet parking, which is included. And then you also get a special magic band for the Galactic Starcruiser that's included as well. So there are 3 types of accommodations available at the Galactic Starcruiser. The first is a standard cabin. This is the cabin that we stayed in. Honestly, the reason why we stayed in it is because when we booked our voyage, that was all that's available. And so that's what we took. The standard cabins can either sleep 4 or 5 passengers. So the 4 passengers will have a queen size bed, and then the bunk beds in the wall, and then some of the rooms sleep 5 people, and the 5 passenger cabins will also have, on cruise lines we call them a Pullman bed. It's a bed that comes down from the wall. So the room is really themed quite well, but it's also a little bit sparse. So this is not a room where there's going to be just a lot of things in the room. So the things included in the room are pretty much standard: hair dryer, mini fridge, there's a safe, there's a television, and a lot of people ask about the television. So the TVs will like track your voyage, and you can see it on the screen, but also if you hit the remote, you can see the regular channels. So if you've ever stayed in a Disney World hotel room, it's the same TV setup. You can watch the news, you can watch whatever, you can watch like Disney Plus on there. So it's all on the TV. And of course, like all Disney hotel rooms, well, I know they're phasing out of that, but the H2O products. So in the shower, there's the things mounted to the wall with, which is a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and then they have the little mini bottles in the room as well. So that's what's included in the standard cabin. Okay, next is the Galaxy class suites, and these suites it's a suite. It is bigger. It is a 1-bedroom, and it has a living space with a seating area and everything that's offered in the standard cabin, but also has like a bar area with 2 windows out into space. Now these rooms do sleep 4 passengers, and will just have a queen size bed and then 2 wall pull down beds. And then the biggest rooms on the Galactic Starcruiser are the Grand Captain suites. Now these are 2-bedroom suites, and they sleep up to 8 adults. They have a living room with a seating area, all of the things that the standard cabin had, but the bathroom has a double vanity, whereas the other 2-room categories only have a single vanity in the bathroom. They also offer an additional bathroom with the single vanity. These cabins offer 3 windows out into space, which is nice. As far as the bed configurations, so there's 2 queen beds, and then the set of bunk beds, and then there's also 2 wall pull down the Pullman beds that come down from the wall. So those are the cabins on the Galactic Starcruiser. Disney hasn't really said how many there are of each cabin type. However, just by availability, it does seem like that the least amount of cabins are the Grand Captain Suite. And then there seems like there's maybe a few more of the Galaxy class. And then the standard cabins seem to have the most availability. So tell me in the comments below, what do you think about the rooms on the Galactic Starcruiser? Have you gone on the Galactic Starcruiser, and which room were you in? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I have new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!